You've been keeping on pace by completing a lesson a day in your course, and now it's time to submit an online assessment. An assessment asks you questions. Answering these questions is one way for you to demonstrate your understanding of the course content. The Lincoln Learning Empowered curriculum contains 2 different online assessments. Checkpoints are found every 5 lessons and contain only multiple choice questions. Think of these as quizzes. Mastery assessments are found at the end of modules. These larger assessments contain a variety of question types which you'll see later in this video. Regardless of the assessment, click Start when you're ready to begin. Use your LMS's full screen capabilities to easily view the assessment navigation. Click the Next and Previous buttons to move forward or backward within the assessment, or click the item to go directly to that question. Do you want to save your work and come back to it later? Just click Save Exit. You can easily return to the assessment at a later time to pick up where you left off. Let's look at the other functions of the assessment tool menu. Depending on your LMS, click Full Screen to open the assessment in full view. Use your LMS's built-in functionality if this button is disabled. If you need to adjust the color scheme, font size, or zoom in or out for accessibility reasons, click this button here. Clicking on Speech Stream will open text help for you to use throughout the assessment experience. Review the Text Help Overview Help Center resource to learn more about the text help functionality. When working through your assessment, you may encounter matching questions which ask you to pair the prompt on the left to the correct answer, which you drag and drop to the right. Now, take a look at a question that offers more than one correct answer. This is known as a multiple answer question. Read the question and select all of the boxes that apply. This is a multiple choice question. After you read the question, pick the one answer you think is correct. Ordering questions require you to read the question, then drag and drop the answers into the correct order to get full or partial credit. When you come to a question that provides a blue link at the top, click on the link and then carefully read the provided passage. The passage will open in a new browser tab. Click the previous tab to return to your assessment. Next, answer the question. Keep the other tab open in case you're asked another question about that passage. Essay-type questions like the one shown here ask you to describe your thinking. Essay questions offer some cool features. For example, you can choose to bold, underline, or italicize your text when answering an essay question. Try these buttons if you want to create bulleted or numbered lists. Do you want your text to be in the center? Use the alignment button to center your text. You can also insert tables or images. Click on the equation editor to add mathematical components such as formulas, fractions, and expressions. To understand how your answer will be graded, open the linked rubric and reference it to ensure you are completing the essay to the best of your ability. You will know you've reached the end of an assessment when the next button is replaced with Finish. Clicking Finish will signal you are done with the assessment and are ready to submit your answers. You will be asked to confirm. This means you are absolutely sure you're ready for your teacher to grade your work. You can't go back once you click Yes. If you are not ready to submit or have unattempted questions, click No to return to the assessment to finish completing it. You are now ready to take your first online assessment. Good luck!